All right. So something new we'll have for Google Classroom is these discussion boards. I'm gonna try to use these quite often. Obviously, we haven't used them in the past because we'd have discussions in class, but without that as an option, I'm going to be using these online discussion boards. So here, I'll ask a question, and then you guys will need to answer it. I'm going to show you from the student point of view. So this is a test, obviously, and I'm signed in as my beautiful wife here. And what you'll do is you'll have the question will be up here, and you just add class comment. Send that in. I'll show you what it looks like from my end, but this is how you respond as well. So I'm gonna review the question here, and as you can see, here's the new class comment. And when we responding, all you do is reply to this comment, and it'll bring up their email address here, and you type in your response, send that in there. And that's how discussion boards will go. And we do have one for this week. I'll take you back there. The discussion board for this week is how does this video change your perception of time management? You'll watch this video here on the rocks, pebbles, and sand story, and then answer that question in the discussion board. You also do need to respond to one other student's response as well.